How to make your husband happy when he is sad. Hello, in case you're coming here for the very first time, this is Think Marriage, where we showcase what works in marriage and relationships and help you reach your relationship goals to enjoy life to the max. Here we would show you how to make your husband happy when he is sad. Happiness and sadness are universal human emotional states that could be altered either by personal choice or by some external interference. In the case of your husband, the very first approach is to find out the cause of his unhappiness. Patiently ask the reason for his sadness, touching him, caressing him gently all the while. Here you are not in a hurry to get off to any other thing. You eclipse every other thing and give him 100% attention. Secondly, be open and large-hearted enough to take whatever he tells you. Number 3, pause. Do not rush any advice to him at this point. Absorb the information first while praying and asking God for wisdom to speak the right words. Number 4, put yourself in his shoes and understand his pain, his sadness. Tell him you understand and feel the pains too. Number 5, remind him that he is built strong by God and that this situation is a hit, alright, but that he is built to overcome matters of both small and huge dimensions. Number 6, now you have his full attention. Paint the picture of hope and tell him that this matter will pass away also, and that you would share in his joy when it turns to praises. Number 7, tell him to look up and that you are with him 100% on this, and that you stand with him through it all. Number 8, never criticize him. Never tell him, but I told you not to do this. Never. Never. Number 10, fix him his very best meal ever, both food and of course bed meal, and celebrate his victory up front. Keep speaking the right words on this to him daily. We are glad you now know how to make your husband happy when he is sad. Now go and do it. Please leave your comments and questions below. Click the like button if you like what you've seen, and click the subscribe button to get to know when Think Marriage uploads another helpful video as this one. Thank you and see you at another video. Bye.